A black hole is a region of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, including light, is capable of possessing enough energy to escape. From the time of their discoveries, scientists were finding ways to capture the sound of these majestic space bodies. Since the year 2003, the black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster was associated with sound. This is because astronomers discovered that pressure waves sent out by the black hole caused ripples in the cluster's hot gas that could be translated into a sound, a one that humans can hear. Here is the sound released by NASA. In addition to the Perseus galaxy cluster, a new sonification of another famous black hole was released by NASA. It was the Messier 87, or the M87. It was first released from the Event Horizon Telescope project in 2019. This sonification didn't feature the Event Horizon Telescope data, but rather looked at data from other telescopes that observed M87 on much wider scales at roughly the same time. Here, take a listen.